Burdur Lake is an officially protected area, important both at the international and national level, due to hosting endangered species. There are ongoing environmental activities, especially for birds, such as midwinter bird counts every year. SGP project envisages that it is possible to carry out environmental activities using bicycles, without disturbing the organisms that inhabit the area. In Burdur Lake, grantee showed the use of bicycles for conservation activities is better than motor vehicles, and demonstrated how to carry equipments with bicycles around the big lake. Where are the easier routes to follow and to camp? SGP project also works with local municipality to encourage daily use of bikes in Burdur. By a press conference, local people and authorities came together for the conservation of Burdur Lake and mitigation of the effects of climate change.